really just a 4x4 wig. They sent me a bob wig, 4x4 HD lace wig. I went ahead and I did cut it a little bit shorter so it could reach shoulder length, but I think it was a 12-inch wig. I'll be putting the links in the description box so you guys can check that out if you want to purchase this wig. But yeah, I think it was a 12-inch, and I went ahead and cut it to shoulder length. Also, Love Me Hair wigs, they come pre-bleached, so you don't need to bleach them. I did not need to bleach this wig at all. All I did was just went in with some makeup and pretty much just installed my wig. Oh, and I also plucked it, but everything else is pretty much done for you. But yeah, this was a quick wig to install. It wasn't anything extra. Didn't even need to put glue on, but just because I was going out, I wasn't sure what my knot would have been, so I decided to add a layer of glue. I think I did 2 layers. I'm not sure, but yeah, I went ahead and I used the glue, and I used Bold Hold Active Glue just because I feel like this glue is pretty much one of the best glues I've used from time, so I kind of stick to it a bit. But I'm open to trying new glues, so if you actually own glues or like wax stick or whatever, if you have a small business and you would like for me to use it in my videos, then definitely reach out to me using my email that's always down below, and I can definitely do a video for you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I do this install. It's really not that complicated. There's nothing extra. It's like a little simple 1-2 wig to slap on your head. Easy to install. Hair soft. Love Me Hair always sends me good quality hair, so I wasn't surprised. Soft, just ready to wear. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then I will see you guys at the end of the video. this is pretty much the end of this video. I know this wig kind of made my forehead look a little bit bigger than it is, but yeah, I wanted it. I don't know. I kind of liked it, so yeah. I didn't put any lashes on because I was going out this night and I wanted to wear shades, so I didn't want to like I didn't. It didn't make any sense to put any lashes on because they were gonna be showing. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Love Me Here for sponsoring this video. I always love working with them because their wigs are always bomb. Like, love everything about it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will for sure see you guys in my next one. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Once again, thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one.